I'm Dawn Michelle, and this is Makeup or Breakup Blog. Today I'm going to be reviewing the latest from BoxyCharm, and I believe this is their premium box for July 2022. BoxyCharm Premium, So, here is the informational envelope. I'll have to put my reading glasses on so I can properly read what is on the card because the lettering is that small. And yeah, just saying. So I could just pick out what's here and look it up on the card. Why not? The first thing I have here, and it's really cute, is Frank Body, and this is the Perky Sculpting Body Hydrator. And dare I say, is it suggestive of another brand, I wonder? It's showing the bum bum there. And it reads that it has acai, caffeine, and shea butter. Okay. The first ingredient in here is water, which is a good thing. And this is what it looks like. It looks like a container of coffee. So it reads, but first, coffee, but spelled B-U-T-T. So clearly this is for that problem area in the backside to make it appear smoother, firmer, I guess. So this is the top here. Oh my goodness. It looks like we had a little trouble with transporting because it looks like it got moved around a bit. It's very, very thick. But I'm gonna see if I can show you what this looks like. So it may not look all that attractive because it did shift, but it almost looks like a portion was taken out here, to be quite honest, but, right? I'm gonna assume that it just shifted around during shipping and that's what happened. But I just wanna see. Oh, this is really thick. I don't know if you can see that, but I keep using the word but. It has an interesting smell. It smells almost kind of nutty. But again, I think I mentioned the acai, which is a berry, along with the caffeine. It does have a smell of caffeine, but very faintly, and shea butter. So it's very thick, you know, very moisturizing. I'm just trying to see how I can get into the idea of massaging this, but hey, maybe this might even work on my arms. All right, that was interesting, wasn't it? That was. The next thing I have here, oh, let's see, how much does that cost? Let me read the card here. And let me find out what this is about. Frank Body, Perky Sculpting Body Hydrator. Feeling flat? Okay. Perky will perk you up. It's a sculpting moisturizer for smooth and hydrated skin, packed with caffeine to firm your favorite assets. And to give you a boost, shea butter to hydrate, and longan seed extract to sculpt your body. Ooh. So the acai is to give you a boost, the shea butter is to hydrate, and longan seed extract to sculpt your booty. Also comes in a reusable coffee cup to rinse after you're done for coffee on the run. Oh, cool. I didn't know we could reuse this. That's great. All right. I'm feeling it. What's the retail price on this bad boy? $19.95. Wow, that's pretty reasonable, don't you think? It's from Luxie, and this is their all-purpose sponge set. It's in a cute baby pink. They feel so squishy and feel good. Let's see. This duo-sided beauty sponge, duo-sided, okay, is best used damp and made for your liquid complexion products. Okay, this sponge absorbs the least amount of product and applies the majority of it on your skin. The microfiber sponge used dry will apply your powder products smoothly, or used wet will apply your liquid products with no lines or of demarcation. So the retail price for these two, which is a Boxy exclusive, is $40 US. Bare Minerals. Bare Minerals Complexion Rescue Tinted Hydrating Cream. Broad Spectrum SPF 30. Sunscreen 35 ml 1.18 fluid ounces. So let's see what our friends at Bare Minerals have to say. The #1 tinted moisturizer in the US. Did you know that? I didn't. This 3-in-1 multitasker is a moisturizer, skin tint, and SPF 30 with hyaluronic acid to boost hydration for a dewy, healthy looking glow. Retail price is $37 US. Okay, so I'm just gonna peek in here real quick to see what the story is. Active ingredient is titanium dioxide. So how much is the percentage? 6.2, and that's the sunscreen. So this is what the packaging looks like. It looks pretty sexy, almost on the high end. The color here that was given to me was Birch 1.5, so I'm assuming it's on the light side. The directions are to apply to clear skin with fingertips, layer for additional coverage, and of course keep out eyes. Okay, might be using this too in replacement from, you know, not overdoing it with the makeup, because in the summer the last thing you really want to wear is a full bead of makeup and then have that awful sensation of it dripping or falling apart on your face. So I'm just going to see if I can get this on here so you can see what it looks like. It almost looks a little, when you look at it, like foundation. It has that kind of typical foundation feel. Let's see. Yeah, it does. And dare I say, it feels like the scent of it is not too overpowering, which is good. It just, you know, has the typical, sorry about that, has that typical SPF, but it's not overt. It's not citrusy so much. So that's good. That's good for people who don't want that over citrusy smell. Not bad. So I think that this may replace, you know, having to wear foundation. So I'm delighted. Lunar Beauty. I think this is a product from one of the bigger influencers, Manu MUA. I think so. Yeah, Lunar Beauty. Nude Prism Eyeshadow Palette. What? Soft and Romantic. 18 well eyeshadow palette of neutrals and soft pinks. 6 shimmers and 12 mattes. The retail price for this is $48 US. Oh, it's a little pricey. So let's see how this looks. I'll definitely be posting. I love that it has the cherry blossoms though. Don't get me wrong. I do like cherry blossoms. Very pretty, very feminine to me, the moon. Interesting. Oh, this is a beautiful, like, everyday palette that you can use, you know, to go to work, go to school. But it has a little bit of excitement in there because there's a full row there of shimmers. I didn't say what the theme was for this month's BoxyCharm. It's status. And it looks like 000. I thought it would read status glow because that would make more sense, but I'm loving that. It's very vacation-y, on the beach, summertime, screams it, also glam. So I'm really excited about that. Oh, wait, there's still more stuff. What? Okay, the next thing I see in here is from Avant. Ooh, that's a good brand too. I'm gonna show you the bottle. This is a mysterious, interesting, slightly gooey looking blue ocean color. What is this? Avant Skincare Blue Volcanic Stone Purifying and Antioxidizing Cleansing Gel. Ooh, that's a long one. A mild non-drying gel. This aims to effortlessly eliminate excess oil, dirt, and makeup without leaving skin feeling overexposed. With a cocktail of antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant extracts, it helps prevent breakouts and soothe irritation. The perfect first step in your skincare routine. This bad boy, full size, at 3.38 fluid ounces or 100 ml, is $110 US. $110. Ooh. Woo. That sounds like it's impressive, but it's also a little scary and intimidating when you see price tags like that. Let's see what it It reminds me of something I've smelled before, but it's kind of goopy. I'm not gonna lie. But it is a gel cleanser to keep in mind. Oh, it has a nice, pleasant scent. But again, if you're not into any kind of scents or fragrances in your product, this may not be for you. Oh, but I like the way this smells. It smells like it has a light, almost marine-like smell, but without the salt. It smells good. Oh, I could definitely see myself using this one because it has a scent, but to me, it's not overpowering. But for those who are extremely sensitive to any kind of scents and odors, this may not be for you. But it has almost like what would a marine flower would smell like, but it's not a flower scent. I hope that makes sense. Is this Jewel partnership here? Who are they? I wonder. This is called Outre. Best Bud Shampoo and Conditioner Duo. I hope I'm pronouncing this right. So it tames frizz, protects your hair color, and adds lustrous shine. This set is $66? What? Oh boy, I'm definitely gonna try this out. And that's it for my BoxyCharm Premium for July 2022. Let me know what you think. I am delighted. I can't wait to try out the skin products and the hair care products. Those are the first and foremost that I am going to try. And I will post a review in the near future on what I think of both of these brands. Let me know in the comments below whether or not you are a charmer. And if you haven't done so already, hit that like button. And even better, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you'll know my next video will be up. Thank you so much for joining me in my latest unboxing with BoxyCharm. And I hope to see you on my next video. Take care. Stay safe. Bye.